If you make your security program punitive, if you focus on poor behavior, if you focus on only the clicks, you will fail. I'm much more interested in increasing the number of people that are reporting. If you ask most incident response professionals if they could wave a magic wand, what would they wish for? And most would say better detection capabilities. I wish I had 1,000 more sensors on my network. Well, you know what? You probably already do. And they're probably already employees, and you probably already pay them and give them benefits. And so you have a couple of choices when you're working with employees. They're either on your side or they're not. And I like to focus on helping people understand that they are part of the solution, not part of the problem. Drop mic.